Hai.
Hello guys.
Hai.
Party. Question number 1. Melda wants to replace her old camera with a high-resolution digital camera, costing 7,500 ringgit. Her current camera is still in good condition, but she requires a new camera to support her work. She currently has 6,500 ringgit in savings. She is considering two options. Option A. Buy the camera now. Buy the camera now by taking a personal loan of 1,000 at 6 interest compounds monthly for 2 years. Option B. Save first. Save her 6,500 ringgit in account earning 6% interest compounded monthly and buy the camera using only her savings after 2 years. Determine which option is more financially beneficial for Melda and briefly explain your answer. Keywords information for calculation. Buy the camera now. P equals to 1,000, K equals to 0.06, M equals to 20, and T equals to 2. Save first. P equals to 6,500, K equals to 0.06, M equals to 20, and T equals to 2. Now, let's go to the answer. Option A, buy the camera now. For option A, Melda takes a loan of 1,000 ringgit. We use the compound interest formula. S equals P bracket 1 plus I raised to the power of N. This gives 1,127 ringgit and 16 cents. So, the total cost after adding to her saving is 7,627 ringgit and 16 cents. Next, option B, save first. For option B, Melda saved 6,500 ringgit in an account with 6% interest, compounds monthly, using the formula P bracket 1 plus I raised to the power of N. This gives 7,326 ringgit and 54 cents. Since the camera costs 7,500 ringgit, she is still short by 173 ringgit and 46 cents. Option A is more financially beneficial because the interest cost is lower than the amount Melda would still need to add if she saves first.
Based on the question, we know Mr. J. Ibrahim owns a piece of agricultural land that he can sell now for 817,000 ringgit. He has two options, sell and invest the money or keep the land for 2.5 years. Okay, this is a keyword. Now, we solve question 2. This is the answer to option 1. Now, let's compare the outcomes. The land value is clearly higher. Therefore, the most financially beneficial decision is for Mr. J. Ibrahim to keep the land because it gives approximately 61,000 ringgit more than selling and investing.
To question 3 part A. Based on the text, Adwa at the age 20 years want to save 20,000 ringgit when he turns 25 years. Then, the keyword is using timeline. We calculate the first 3 years, then 2 years. Then the M is 4, the R is 4.1%, then the P is 9,200 ringgit. Let's go to the question. Using this formula, S belong to future value, mean she wants to save 20,000 ringgit. The answer is 10,397 ringgit, 0.62 cent. Then we calculate for next 2 years using new P. The final answer is 18,876 ringgit, 0.47 cent.
Okay, for this question, we want to find interest. So, we use this formula and S belong to 80,876.47 cents minus P, that is 9,200 plus 7,000, and the final answer is 2,676.47 cent ringgit Malaysia. For the last question, based on my result, after the calculate, the final answer is no, because the remaining savings are not enough to settle down.
Part B, Question 1. Saif's father left an inheritance of 1.1 million ringgit, which was divided in the ratio of 5:3 to 2 among Saif and his two siblings, Anjali and Rani. Saif used his entire share as the down payment for a fabric factory worth on 1 million ringgit. He then took a loan to cover the remaining cost of the factory. The bank charged 4.2% interest compounded monthly, and the loan is to be repaid over a period of 25 years. The keywords, we can find it in the sentence. Question A. Find the monthly payment. First, to find A, we must minus 1 million with 550,000 and we will get 450,000. Next, we will use present value formula to this question and calculate until we get 2,425 ringgit and 24 cents for the answer. Question B. Calculate the interest charge. For this question, we will use interest charge formula. I equals Rn minus A. I equals open bracket 2,425.24 times 300 close bracket minus 450,000. I equals 277,572 ringgit. Question B.
Now we solve question C. Based off the question, we know he want to find amount to pay on the third payment. Using this formula, the accumulated amount of area after 2 months is 4,858 ringgit 97 cents. Therefore, the amount that need to be paid on the third payment to the settled area is 4,858 ringgit 97 cents. Okay, let's moving on to question D. Based off the question, after he paying for 20 years, he decide to settle the balance. Using this formula, A belong to present value, which is loan. The result obtained from that calculation, the loan settlement amount is 131,045 ringgit 7 cents.
Let's move on for the last question that we know from the text. Vijay want to travel to Japan and need 40,000 ringgit. He can save only 750 ringgit every month and bank give 3.9% interest. This is the keyword.
Using the formula, S belongs to virtual value, which is Vijay wants 40,000 ringgit. We fill the formula with keyword. Using the log, the answer is 49. The final answer is Vijay must make 40 monthly deposit to accumulate at least 40,000 ringgit.
That's all!